these are the items.
Oh dear, what are you doing? Aren't these posh items?
Are they overtly expensive?
No, dude, each one would cost us about 30,000 bucks.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, what if we sneak and live them?
Listen, don't jump in a haste. If it is such a big setup, definitely there will be camera and security. You could get into trouble. It's not like running away from a showroom. If we get caught, they will bash us to a pulp and hand us over to police. So please think, all of you.
Chita. Oh my dude. Forget that. No cameras work there. I saw with my own eyes. And then there is one security guard who walks like this. He's a total waste. In most of the houses, things are kept out, but nobody lives in. Only after ensuring it, I'm telling you guys. And then if this guy brings in anything shitty, always frightened, bloody coward.
Just tell me the exact spot.
Hey, from Vanilla Junction, take left. Then take the first right. Wow, you must really see those villas. Palm trees all over. Mind-blowing villas. And cars, oh no. Yeah, I really forgot the name of that villa. Casa...
You mean Casa Metro?
Yeah, boo, obviously. It was Etro I was not getting. Hey dude, how do you know about those villas?
I just know that. Guys, I'm telling this for all of you. This plan is to be dumped in the lake right here.
What? We are not going.
Arre, we are not going there.
After getting such an easy chance, why can't you come along, dude?
Yeah.
Dude, I've been there. There is no need to worry. There is no risk at all.
That won't work. We should stay here. You guys can go, but I am not coming. Not at all.
Coward.
Not covered.
Yeah,
It's something
if he's not coming,
else.
let him not. You call Abu.
He's not there. Gone to visit mother.
From where did this mom come from? Are you trying to scare me?
Why climb onto that quiet guy? Yaar?
Hey, we won't be able to meet you tomorrow. Mom asked to accompany her. Some temple or puja, I don't know.
So, we can meet only after exams.
yeah, exams got to get over.
So, what I asked for without giving that, you were cheating on me.
No! Why should I do that? Didn't I say got to go with mom? That is why. Do one thing. Come here. I will give you
What? Say it again.
to my house. But come stealthily. Not one, I will give you 10 kisses.
I think 1A is your villa, right?
Yeah.
Okay, deal. Not tomorrow, today.
Sam, come on. I'm afraid. I just was kidding.
What? I should be scared instead. In such a sprawling villa without anyone watching, I have to reach your room. But I'll come.
Huh? Seriously? Please don't. I won't open the door.
You just keep the door open. I'll see you then, baby. Love you. Mwah.
Ah, here he comes. Oh, lover arrived.
Hello, boys. Is all set now?
What now, lover boy?
What is all set?
Are breaking into the villa?
Didn't you said, oh, I am not in, yeah? Isn't it?
I just cracked a joke, you idiot. Such a fool.
Don't joke too much.
So haven't you planned till yet?
Tell us, sir, the plan.
Shall I give you an idea? We will break in at the midnight. And after finishing the job, we will leave at 3:30. Things are not that easy, my friends, isn't it? Now listen to me. Still, we need to finish and leave quickly. Okay?
Okay, done.
It was me who planned it.
Okay, then join hands.
Now give me your hand.
Done. Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, come on, keep.
mobile fell into the water.
Bloody hell.
Why the hell did you do this, Bijoy?
Actually, it's Poppy who fell into water.
Move.